Now let's take a quick look at the editing tool for Google Sites. In the little button, the first one on the left that looks like a pencil says Edit Page. You click on it and you do get a menu bar. You do get a toolbar, and as you look towards the bottom, you'll notice a cursor blinking in a box right there where you can type your information. You can, of course, like any word processor, you can bold it, you can make it a different size, and you can make it a different color, and so forth. You've got all the same tools up here that you would have on most word processors. You do not have as many fonts, very limited because it is for a web page, so they don't give you many fonts there. Up at the top, the first one of the menu items I want to show you is the layout menu. You are currently in a one-column simple format. You can select 2 columns. Notice how it's split in 2 columns here, so you could have a section of data and a section of data. Note that these are not tables. This is layout. This is just a layout. You can also do a 3-column layout. Notice how that splits. One that I like is the 1-column layout here, which gives you a header and a footer area as well as a large area for your content in the middle. But I also like the 2-column one where you can have a title, a welcome, a header, something right here, 2 columns of data, maybe pictures with instructions over here or what have you, and then a footer area as well. So you do have some layout features. A table is different than layout. Although that may look like tables to you, it is not. So if you have a table of data, you could put it in right here. You have some formatting options, strike through, superscript, subscripts, and so forth, block quotes. And in your insert menu, you have lots of really cool things, not only images, links, table of contents, you also have all these other Google Apps types of things as well as gadgets, which we're not going to talk about now. That'll be a future tutorial, but if you're interested, please feel free to just play with them and see what they're like. I will show you how to insert an image. So I'm going to go to Image, and I am going to browse for an image. I'll pick something different this time. I'll do the books, and I'll hit Open. When it says Alt Text Optional, it really is not optional. We need to put in alternative text which describes the picture. That's for ADA accessibility, so I put my alternative text in there. I hit OK. Let me scroll up here a little bit. You'll notice the picture is rather big. You have some options. Align it to the left. You can center it. You can align it to the right. You can make it small, medium, or large, or the original size, which I think the large and the original in this case are the same. I'm going to go back to small. You can wrap the text. You can click this and wrap text on, meaning text will wrap around it. Or you can take the wrap off, meaning text only goes above and below it. And of course you have the X right here to remove the picture if you no longer want it. So a lot of people like pictures on their websites. I wanted to show you that. So feel free to look around and see what you have in your editing with the pencil tool, the little editing feature. But don't forget, hit your save before you leave.